On a Thursday evening, we stand outside our front doors and we clap for key workers. We are truly grateful for everything everyone is doing right now. But the staff at Holy Family would like to give a very special thank you to a very special group of people, and that's to you. To the mums, the dads, the grandparents, the carers, the aunts and the uncles, and all the people looking after the children of Holy Family right now, we would like to say thank you. So today's Commendation Assembly is for you.
They said you wouldn't make it so far, and ever since they said it, it's been hard. But never mind the night you had to cry, 'cause you had never let it go inside. You worked real hard and you know exactly what you want and need. So believe, and you can never give up. You can reach your goals. Just talk to your soul and